And hi, this is the video about the explanation for my homework 3 for the CSC 594 at DePaul University. The first part of the homework 3 is about the language modeling and text generation, sorry. Here's all the libraries I use for the code. First, first of all, I divide the text file into two lists. First it's pre-World War I. Second, another one is post-World War I. And for those words lengths greater than 2 and not in the stop words list, which the stop words is from the library. The stop words English means like the stop words in English, like oh we know. Then here is the function to create output text file named Unigram. Here's the format. Same thing here. This function is to create output file named Bigram. This is format for output file. And for next part, in order to create a chart, first I create two data frame. I create like some data frame named the bigrams. The probability of the for the pre-World War I, the probabilities for the post-World War I. Then here's the math function to no, here's some like codes to decide the size and the color of the bar right here, like the blue, the color is blue, the size, the white, and some details about the chart, like the title, like X label, Y label. This part of code is like it's on D2L, which is the professor provide for the homework. I'm just gonna skip this. Here is for the last part for the PMI. Same thing. Create a data frame and it creates some lists for later. Then here is if the word is the length of the word is greater than 2 and not in stop words, and it's like if because it's we need the two words, right? So either first word is economy, either the second word is economy, which will fit our requirements for this part. Then here is the codes to create output file named PMI. Here's for format. Now we move to the before we move to the second part. Here's some text file which will generate from my code. This is a bigram text file, Unigram text file, and a PMI text file. Right now we move to the second part of the homework 3. The second part is to generate some sentence from bigrams. Like here, all the libraries we need and all the text file we need from the library. First combine those text file and create a background. According to the homework requirement, we need like some values like the selection to generate those headings. First one, if math if it's zero, if on the requirements like if means like excuse me, if math equals zero, which means select the next word with highest or max frequency. Then if the math if the math equal to 1, which means select the next word randomly. If the math equals 2, select next word probabilistically. Here's all the codes and the function used to implement those requirements. Then here, just print the results. And here's what I got after I run my codes on my machine. And thanks for watching.